This rat's nest is a 2016 wiring harness. We got it for this little guy right here, coil pack connector. We're going to get repinned and upgrade to hopefully going to be some problem-free coil packs. So my options were for upgrading the 2013-2014 harness to the 2015 Plus, to either replace the whole harness with the newer 2015 Plus harness, or to take the connectors off the new harness and splice it or repin it onto the old harness. In my case, for some reason, they said they couldn't reuse the harness. I'm just going to quick show you here. It's one of the coils, the other one's further over, kind of hard to see on this side. So I went ahead and had them repin it. I know somebody else has managed to swap it. Either way, it's a lot of labor. You can see these are way down in there. Here's the two coils. So you have to take the intake manifold off, and really it's a lot of work to get at it. So the labor is not going to be cheap. If you can do it yourself, you'll save yourself a lot of money. I'll put the part numbers for what you'll need in the details for the video.